Hi friends, welcome to Tachu's kitchen. Today we are going to see marinated spicy chicken. Let me see the ingredients. I am having half a kg of chicken, 2 medium size of onion, 2 small size of tomatoes, some curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder and salt. First marinate the chicken with 2 to 3 spoon of chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 full spoon of ginger garlic paste, and salt for taste. We are adding this salt for the entire gravy. Now mix the marination well. Spread the spices throughout the chicken. We marinated the chicken. Keep this chicken for half an hour to absorb all the spices. Now our chicken got marinated well. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add some groundnut oil. It's almost 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot enough, you can add 1/4 spoon of fennel seed, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 3 cloves and 1 cardamom. Now we can add onions. Now the raw smell went off, it turns to golden brown. Now we can add tomatoes. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. Now it's mashable. We can add some curry leaves. Now slow the flame and we can add our marinated chicken pieces. Now the raw smell of masalas went off. We can add a little bit of water for boiling. We added half a glass of water, but we got some water from the chicken also. Now you can set the flame in medium and close the lid. Leave it for 15 minutes. Now it's almost ready. Yeah, the chicken cooked very well. Now the oil got separated from the chicken. Now it's time to switch off the stove. Let me start the plating. Transfer this into a bowl. Now our yummy marinated spicy chicken ready. Please try this recipe at your home and comment me. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Darshu's Kitchen. I will meet you in the next week with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.